Akshit, what's going on?
Oh, Janvi, I am watching this video on YouTube, but the video is buffering a lot. I think the internet connection is weak today.
Yes, Akshit, today the internet connection is weak. What do you want to see? Can I help you?
Actually, I was watching a video on has and have, but I always get confused. Today I scored very low on the test at school.
No problem, Akshit. I will help you with this.
Okay, Janvi, I am very eager to learn.
Well, they are special words we use to show ownership or possession. Let's learn about them together.
Oh, I see.
Akshit, look at this doll. She has a pretty dress.
Yes, she does. It's so colorful.
That's right. Has is a word we use when we are talking about something singular, owning or possessing something, like this doll.
Okay, Janvi, what's next?
Akshit, look at those books. I have those two books. Have is a word we use when we are talking about ourselves owning or possessing something, like this book. Now, let's go out and explore the things in the backyard.
Sure, Janvi.
Akshit, look at that butterfly. It has beautiful wings.
Yes, it does. Look, there are more over there.
We have used has because it is a single butterfly.
Oh, I got it. See, we have so many trees in our backyard.
Yes, Akshit, you're doing great.
Okay, now we have so many flowers in the backyard. I have used have because there are so many flowers. I understand it clearly now. I think I will practice from the book.
Yes, Akshit, you're doing great. Go on. You're right, Akshit. Go inside and practice now.
Thank you, Janvi. Now, I love this topic.